How to fix stuttering on PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Fortnite stuttering on PC. To begin, ensure that your Fortnite game is up to date by installing the latest patch. Open the Epic Games launcher and navigate to your Fortnite game. Check for any available updates and install them if there are any. These updates often include bug fixes and optimizations that can help alleviate stuttering issues. Your graphics driver is responsible for rendering the visuals in Fortnite. Outdated or faulty drivers can cause stuttering and other performance issues. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, example NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, and download the latest driver for your specific graphics card model. Follow the installation instructions provided by the manufacturer to update your graphics driver to the latest version. Adjusting the in-game settings can help reduce the strain on your PC's hardware and improve performance. Launch Fortnite and navigate to the settings menu. Lower the graphical settings such as resolution, texture quality, effects, and shadows. Additionally, consider disabling features like motion blur and VSync as they can contribute to stuttering. Windows 10 Game Mode is designed to optimize your PC for gaming, but it can sometimes cause performance issues, including stuttering. Open the Start menu and go to Settings. Click on Gaming, then select Game Mode from the left-hand menu. Toggle the switch to turn off Game Mode. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.